Healthy evening snacks for kids. Creating healthy eating pattern for children is important for optimal growth and development, building a healthy immune system and reducing the risk of chronic diseases later in life. It can be hard to help kids eat healthy, especially when they start to choose their own food. Children over the age of 1 will get most of their nutrition from solid food, and it's important that they eat foods from a variety of foods group to meet their vitamin and mineral need. That means eating protein rich foods, carb, fruits, vegetable and healthy fats. The amount of each food group will vary by age, gender and activity level. One of the best way to encourage healthy eating is to offer a wide variety of nutrient dense food and each meal and snack. Kids need a mix of foods to grow strong and healthy. They should eat fruits and vegetables. They are packed with vitamin and minerals, protein like meat, fish, beans, or tofu, carbs such as potatoes, rice, or pasta, healthy fats found in oils, nuts, and avocados. Tips for healthy eating. Variety is key. Offer different foods at each meal. Set a schedule. Regular mealtime help kids develop good eating habits. By following these tips, you can help your child eat healthy and grow strong. Some snack ideas. Number 1, snack tray. This is a popular method of presenting snack to kids for good reason. Use a divided plate to offer 3 or 4 healthy options, so there's not much pressure put on a single food. Try to include a variety of flavor and texture each meal. Number 2, waffles. Waffles topped with peanut butter or almond butter. You can also use banana egg pancakes instead or turn them into a sandwich with sliced bananas inside. Number 3, homemade granola bars. These can be made with sunflower butter for a nut-free option. Crunchy granola could also be an option if your kids like to snack on cereal. Number 4, raw veggies and fresh fruit. Whole carrot that are peeled and sliced taste better than baby carrot. Fresh fruits, apple sliced or peeled, mandarin orange make a great sweet addition. If you offer grapes, make sure you to slice them in half or into quarter if offering them to a child under the age of 5. Number 5, apple and peanut butter dip. Apple slice and peanut butter are a delicious combination. The skin of the apple contains pectin, a soluble fiber that feed friendly gut bacteria and improve digestive health. Peanut butter has a thick consistency which may be difficult for kids to use as a dip. Mix a little bite of plain full fat yogurt into 2 tablespoons of peanut butter to make a smooth creamy dip for apple slice. Number 6, half of a sandwich. Sandwich don't have to be just for mealtime. Half of a sandwich can also make a healthy snack for kids. To build a healthy sandwich, start with whole wheat bread. Pick a source of protein and include a fruit or veggies if possible. Here are some examples of healthy sandwich combination: cheddar cheese and thinly sliced apple, mozzarella cheese and tomato slice, peanut butter and banana slice, turkey Swiss cheese pickles, ricotta cheese mixed with finely chopped veggies, hard boiled eggs, avocado and tomato, cream cheese and cucumber slice. Number 7, oatmeal and milk and cinnamon. There is nothing better than a warm bowl of oatmeal to get your kid cozy and ready for bed. A small bowl of oatmeal can be great snack that balanced blood sugar level. It's a completely customizable bedtime snack for kid. Add nuts, fruits or even peanut butter if desired. Number 8, banana oat cookies. Homemade banana cookies are a healthy snack for kids that taste like a treat. These cookies get their sweetness from mashed banana rather than refined sugar. Refined sugar are associated with health problems in children such as an increased risk of heart disease, childhood obesity and type 2 diabetes. The best alternative to refined sugar is honey. Honey has antimicrobial properties and can help soothe coughs. Banana oat cookies ingredient: 3 ribs banana mashed, 1/3 cup of coconut oil, 2 cup of rolled oats, 1.5 cup of mini chocolate chips and dried fruit, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Direction: mix all ingredients in a bowl. Place spoonfuls of the cookies mixture onto a glazed cookie sheet. Baked for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Number 9. Turkey and avocado roll up. A turkey and avocado roll up is an easy to eat healthy snack. Turkey is a good source of protein which is responsible for building and repairing tissue in your body. It's also very filling which can help kids feel satisfied between meals. Avocado are full of heart healthy fats along with fiber, folate, potassium, several antioxidant and vitamin C and K. To make a turkey and avocado roll up, first peel and slice an avocado. Gently toast the slice in lime juice to prevent browning. Wrap one piece of turkey around each avocado slice. Number 10. Pickles. Pickles are cucumber that have been fermented in salt and water. They are good source of vitamin K, and some product also contain probiotic bacteria which are good for digestive system. Pickles that contain vinegar don't contain probiotic. So look in the refrigerated section of the grocery store for pickles with live cultures. Avoid sweet pickles which are high in added sugar. Number 11. Bell pepper and guacamole. Bell pepper are naturally sweet and high nutritious. They provide a good source of fiber, vitamin C and carotenoids. Carotenoids are plant compounds with multiple health benefits including supporting eye health. Bell pepper tastes delicious dipped in guacamole, a creamy spread made from mashed avocados. Number 12. Whole grain crackers and nut butter. You can make your own sandwich cracker by spreading a little nut butter such as almond butter on whole grain crackers. This snack has a good balance of protein, carbs and fat. However, choose crackers for your kid carefully. Many crackers are full of refined flour, hydrogenated oils and even sugar. Instead, choose cracker made with 100% whole grain and seeds. Number 13. Olives. Olives are rich in healthy fats and packed with powerful antioxidant and protect your body from damaging molecules called free radicals. Olives are soft and easy for kid to eat. Make sure you purchase pitted ones for kid or remove the pit before serving them. Different varieties have their own flavor. If you have never offered olives to your child before, start with mild flavor black olives. Number 14. Frozen fruit popsicles. Pour frozen fruit or berries and a small amount of fruit juice in a blender. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds or small plastic cups. Cover with foil. Insert a popsicle stick into the popsicle through the foil. Freeze overnight. Number 15. Green smoothie made with pineapple, kale, mint and ginger. It's so fresh and delicious. This green smoothie is a refreshing way to pack in fruits and veggies. Kid will love the sweet tropical flavor. There you have it, 15 healthy, fun and easy snack ideas for your kid. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments.